What's going on, campers? It's Wandering Mosquito coming to you live from Metro Manila. We just spent about 2-3 hours Bonifacio High Street here in BGC, and man, we are having the tail end of a typhoon, and it is raining and everything is wet. But you know, we had some coffee that was really good, shot some video. I want to share it with you, so stick around. I want to show you a wet, soggy BGC right after this. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video of a nice rainy morning in Bonifacio Global Cities, Metro Manila here in the Philippines. Missy and I are having a great time. I've been here for a week now. This is my third visit to the Philippines. Missy and I have been engaged now for almost 18 months. And with any luck, she will be returning back to Florida with me as we wrap up our K-1 visa. I want to remind you, as I always try to do, every day is a gift. Don't blow it. Remember to roll with the changes.